Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua, mawaziri, Waziri Muturi, Waziri Duale, makatibu wa wizara na maafisa wote wakuu na viongozi wote walio hapa, hamjamboni. Mheshimiwa Rais, kwanza ni kushukuru kwa sababu ya kufanya mkutano huu. Kama ulivyosikia, hii ni mara ya kwanza kwa rais na kiongozi wa taifa kuwa na mkutano wa ana kwa ana na wazee wa mitaa pamoja na assistant chiefs na chiefs. It has never happened again. Hata wakati nimeketi pale nimeshangaa kwa sababu umenipatia kazi mimi, Raymond na wale wengine. Some of us bado hatujafikia kukutana na machifu. Sasa rais, you have challenged us to work much harder. You are ahead of us because this is the way to encourage the teams and the various public servants to work together to promote the interests of the nation. Your Excellency, sir, these officers, village elders, assistant chiefs and chiefs are at the bottom of the governance pyramid, and they are the foundation upon which the country's security and stability is founded. Hawa ndio wanatushikilia katika mambo ya usalama na amani katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Wanafanya kazi nzuri sana, wanajaribu kutatua mizozo katika vijiji vyetu, na wakati mambo yakitendeka pale ya kiusalama, mtu wa kwanza ambao ripoti inapelekwa kwake ni mzee wa mitaa, ni assistant chief na ni chief. Mheshimiwa Rais, wewe mwenyewe umetuagiza tuhakikishe tumeharakisha ile mambo umetuambia tuharakishe kuhusu sera ambayo itatumika katika kuhakikisha kwamba wazee wetu wa mitaa wametambulika na wamejumuishwa na pia wamepata malipo kidogo ya kusaidia katika hii mambo. Your Excellency, as you directed us, we are making progress, and I think in another short period of time we will be able to submit a report to you. The other thing, Your Excellency, the ministry has developed a village elders bill and a village elders policy, which is going through public participation at the moment. The other thing, Your Excellency, as the chiefs have said, we have tried to reallocate the resources that are allocated to the ministry to make sure that the AIE for our chiefs, assistant chiefs, and even for the other more senior officers is available. And based on the fiscal situation of the country, we will be seeing what we can adjust to make sure that internally, even without asking for more money from the National Treasury, we can be able to slightly adjust upwards the AIE for the various Ngao officers. Our officer, Your Excellency, are the most disciplined officers that I know about. Hawaulizi maswali na ile kazi wanapewa wanafanya. Wanafanya kwanza alafu baadaye wanauliza maelezo, because they understand government. For government to be able to move, you require people who are focused, who are loyal, and who are disciplined to be able to move the country forward. Your Excellency, wameuliza mambo ya support ya polisi wa utawala. We were here again with you. You directed us to hasten the process. We are also almost ready, and again soon we'll be able to report back to you. We are engaging the National Police Service so that we implement your directive around the issue of these officers being supported by police to enforce the law. Your Excellency, I don't want to say many things. The only thing I can say in conclusion is that today's meeting is for you to address us and to commission us in the very important event that is ahead of reclaiming our environment And I really like the message that my brother C.S. Duale has given us here. Your Excellency, as you continue to lead us to address the very, very grave national matter of climate change, Nairobi suffers the most pollution. And Nairobi River today and the entire ecosystem around Nairobi River is presenting great hazard to the health of the people of Kenya, both upstream and downstream. Last year, we lost quite a number of people, fellow Kenyans who were swept away by floods because they were living in structures very close to the river. Some actually literally on top of the river. And therefore, when the floods came earlier this year, they were swept in the dead of the night, families, sometimes whole families. You directed us to clear the corridor. Even if some of us could be taking credit, the people who did the work are the people who are seated here with us today. These are the people who helped us. And today we are very proud we have cleared that corridor. You were there last week and you saw for yourself. We have given very firm instructions to all the agencies, including the National Police Service. Nobody will be allowed to re-encroach to those dangerous spaces, because doing so will be detrimental to public safety and public security. And therefore, I want to conclude by saying that this project, as much as, and it is true, it's an environmental project, it's also a national security project. We are not taking it lightly. And for us, in this space, as security managers, we will firmly, effectively, and resolutely ensure that that corridor is protected from encroachment as the other agencies come to regenerate the corridor, clean the corridor, so that our people can have a healthy environment. We urge that nobody should politicize or bring in other issues on the cleaning of Nairobi River. It is irreversible. It's a national security matter. We are not turning back. We are doing this not for politics. We are doing this for the sake of the country and for the sake of present and future generations. Having said that, Your Excellency, naomba nikomee hapo. Nataka nichukue nafasi hii kwa heshima kubwa nimuulize, of course nimetambua mwenzangu JB ndiye host. He may not be able to talk, but he has given us permission to proceed. So nataka niombe safari hii nimuite Naibu wa Rais Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua akuje akualike. Asante sana. Karibu Dr. President.
Asante sana. Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto, mawaziri wetu, makatibu, officers wetu wa ngao, kuanzia regional commissioner, kuteremka chini kwa county commissioner, deputy county commissioners, assistant county commissioners, chiefs and assistant chiefs, and for the first time in the history of the administration, village elders. God is good, and all the time. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for this meeting. First, as your principal assistant, and secondly, as a member of this great family called Ngao. Mimi maisha yangu na damu yangu iko kwa hii watu. Sababu ile kidogo mimi najua nilijifundisha kwa hii kazi. And Your Excellency, the way it has been said here by the RC, by Professor Kindiki, it is true. This is a great thing that the President of the Republic of Kenya is able to get time to sit and talk to his grassroots army. Rais, nataka nikupongeze sana sana sana. Na nikuhisi ukipata nafasi vile PS Raymond Omolo amesema. This family wanaongea sana. Hii maneno sasa iko kila pahali. So there will be a lot of pressure from the other regions. So, Your Excellency, ukipata nafasi in the other 7 regions, when you travel around the country, you could create time and also talk to them. The President is a vision carrier of this administration. And as you represent government in your sublocations and locations, you are also the ear and the eye of His Excellency the President. So when he gets time to talk to you, the implication is that he has found this matter to be very important. Ameona aongee na nyinyi direct so that we don't lose the importance and the gravity of the matter in the communication chain. So Rais anakuja kuongea na nyinyi directly. This matter is very important, and as our vision carrier, atakuja kueleza nyinyi na ningetaka muichukue maanani sana. Your Excellency, this team, I want to assure you, is a great team. This team will never let you down. And any time you have a matter that you consider very important for your administration and for this country, and you call this team and assign them to do it, they will implement it expeditiously and to the letter. And President Moi used to do it, it's true. When one time we had a challenge with the environment, he created a certain cadre, a guy called DO Environment, just to deal with the environment because he wanted the efficiency of the administration to address that particular matter. Secondly, Your Excellency, ndio nikualike nichukue nafasi hii kupongeza hao machiefs, assistant chiefs na wazee ya mitaa kwa kazi nzuri sana mmefanya Nairobi kupigana na mihadarati na pombe ya kuua watu. Nataka niseme pongezi. From the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you because your work is being seen, is being felt. Lakini nataka muendelee kutia, musiregee, tukazane naye mpaka ikuwe sawa. Your Excellency, the way they have said it is true. With the enactment of the 2010 Constitution, the enforcement capacity that was available to these officers was withdrawn. And that is where the rain began to beat us in matters security. Your Excellency, these chiefs and assistant chiefs wameumizwa na wakora wakipambana na pombe. Our officers, their capacity to restore and ensure their security is greatly inhibited by lack of the enforcement capacity. Your Excellency, the way you have directed Professor Kindiki, my younger brother, hasten. Let us, without delay, restore the capacity for enforcement to these officers, and specifically the administration police, because they are the ones who have been trained with them and understand them and their operation. And Your Excellency, once that capacity is restored, I can speak with authority that crime reduction will go by 70%. Because these chiefs and assistant chiefs and the village elders deal with prevention of crime as opposed to apprehension of offenders. Na watasaidika sana. Nikimalizia mimi niseme elders, pongezi kwa kazi nzuri mnafanya. Na because Professor Kindiki ameniambia tukigoja rais pale, hiyo maneno yenu iko public participation. Ndio maoni inaulizwa, maoni ya kila mtu ni gani, kama mtafutiwe kitu ama hapana. As part of that public participation, Rigathi Gachagua, Deputy President, supports 100% ya kwamba elders wetu watafutiwe stipend kidogo. Hawa wazee rais wamejitolea miaka mingi sana, na wanafanya kazi ya kujitolea, na pia wako na familia, wako na mambo yao. Kwa hivyo hiyo rais ikipita itakuwa ni kitu ya maana sana 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 sana. Again, finally, I saw an assistant chief here speak. I am so amazed by the quality of the assistant chiefs that we have today. Ile Kiingereza ameongea hapa, mimi mwenyewe niko na matatizo. Your Excellency, I support 100%, and I discussed with my brother here, Professor Kindiki, about career progression. Chiefs and assistant chiefs who are graduates, let them proceed to be assistant county commissioners. And let them proceed all the way to regional commissioner, because it is possible. And I was very happy. I listened to the assistant chief explaining government programs, affordable housing, labor migration. I was very happy. So I want to encourage you to go back to school. Mwende msome wale mutasoma. Chairman ya machifu nimemsikiza pia. Na wewe ukiritaa nimeona atakuwa mwanasiasa kama sisi. Nimekusikiza vizuri. So tusome vizuri na tukifika hapo nafikiri itakuwa sawa. Watu wazee ya mtaani mtamshikilia rais pale mashinani. Na vile rais hao amesema, hawa ndio wenye kusema hii Nairobi. Na hawa ndio serikali. Na ndio Mzee Kibaki alisema hakuna bahali mtaenda. Na ndio rais wetu anapata muda kuketi na nyinyi. Si ni heshima kubwa sana? Kwa hivyo ile assignment mtapewa leo. Mtatekeleza. Kama rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya amekuja kuketi na nyinyi, ni kumaanisha ya kwamba hili jambo la mazingira ni ya maana sana kwake na kwa serikali yetu. Msiniangushe. Mutafanya vile mnatakana. Before I call the president on a lighter note, I'm very happy to see Chief Mutwini. Nitakutafuta, niko na shida hapo, iko mtu amevamia ploti yangu, unisaidie. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio kazi ya chiefs. Kwa hivyo ndio nimwalike rais, si ndio? It is my honor and privilege nimwalike rais. So niseme officers, chiefs, assistant chiefs, really just us up. Stand still. Mr. President. Mfunge mguu mpaka rais afungue nyinyi.